Welcome to the Ultimate Mother's Day Gift Guide. Today, we're diving into a last-minute, but totally worth the wait gift idea that will have mom feeling pampered and appreciated every day. Introducing the Mazzup Massage Chair, a full-body recliner designed to melt away stress and tension with the touch of a button. But what sets this chair apart from the rest? Let's break it down. With 20 auto programs, customizable modes, and a zero-gravity recline, this chair offers a personalized massage experience like no other. And with its sleek, classic design, it's a stylish addition to any home. But wait, there's more. The Mazzup Massage Chair goes above and beyond with its full-body airbags and heating elements. Say goodbye to tension and aches as the segmented air cells knead away stress, while the heating function soothes tired muscles. But don't just take my word for it. With 10 fixed wheels and 32 massage balls, this chair delivers a truly immersive massage experience from neck to thighs. Now, before you rush to add this to your cart, a quick disclaimer. While we may receive a commission through the Amazon affiliate link provided, our reviews are always honest and unbiased. We only recommend products we truly believe in. So, why wait? Treat mom to the gift of relaxation this Mother's Day with the Mazzup Massage Chair. Trust me, she'll thank you every time she sinks into its embrace.